Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite diva here, back with another video. As you can read from today's title, I'm reviewing the new Pretty Fresh concealer. You guys, this concealer looks so bomb. I'm really excited to get into today's video. If you guys didn't know already, I was actually one of the faces for the concealer. Insert photo right here. It was so much fun. I had such a great time shooting with Colourpop, but I was not able to try it out for myself. I had a makeup artist doing it for me, so I was, rushing home. I said, give me the formula, give me the... Girl, I was like plankton looking for that dang secret formula, girl. I had to get my hands on these, so thank you so much Colourpop for sending me the whole line. I can't wait to be donating this to a friend that is a makeup artist. I love donating to her, but anyways. And you guys, when I found out this concealer was only $9, girl, I was shook. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I know you're not gonna forget to subscribe, because I've been seeing that 50% of the people watching my videos aren't subscribed. I'm like, girl, you're gonna be back. Might as well subscribe, period. And while you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so before we start today's video, I do want to let you guys know that I'm actually nominated for an AIA award, which is the American Influencer Awards. I was nominated for 2019 Emerging Artist of the Year, and I would be so grateful if you guys would vote for me. I'll have the link down below. I think people are getting confused. All you have to do is tap like the little arrow to see my face. You guys can click on my face, and then you have to tap all the way to the end and put in your email and your name. That way they know you're not a bot and that you're a real person. But I cannot believe that I was nominated for something. Like, bitch, I'm a nobody. And us divas are gonna win in this period. So yeah, I'll have it all linked down below. And thank you to everyone that's already voted for me. Literally, like, if I win, I'm gonna be so shook. We're taking over, and that's on period. Okay, so jumping right into the concealer, you guys. There is a huge shade range. There's 30 shades. This is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer from Colourpop. This is the newest addition into the Pretty Fresh collection. You guys know I reviewed the tinted moisturizer from them, and it is so good. So I'm really excited about this. This is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer with 30 fresh shades. And girl, these shades look pretty damn bomb. No one's really missed out. I feel like they could maybe have gone a smidge darker, but I think they covered a lot of people, so I'm really excited about that. But before we get into that, we're gonna actually kill two birds with one stone today. I'm gonna be using the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. Girl, that's too much. The Pat McGrath Foundation, period, which has been really requested on my channel, so I'm excited to try this. It's supposed to be super light coverage, so I think it'll kind of go with the theme today. I don't know what the coverage is like on the Pretty Fresh one, but girl, it better be good. But I'm gonna start with the Pretty Fresh primer. I love this, you guys. So good. It smells unbelievable. But I will say this primer is really for moisturizing the skin. Gives your face like a nice like silk feeling. But I really wouldn't say necessarily like covers your pores. So I'm gonna go in with the Pore Fessional from Benefit. This is gonna snatch those pores and make them, girl, disappear. I wish I could do this to my love handles, girl, but I guess not. And then now we can finally dip into the foundation. You guys can see that I do have quite a few breakouts. I am not that influencer beauty guru that has the best skin ever. Girl, I just cannot relate. So I'm gonna start off with like 3 pumps. And I've been seeing everyone using their damn hands. I'm pretty scared to do that, so let me go in with the brush first. This is from Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, the JH08. Use code DIVA at checkout. And I'm gonna kind of start spot concealing. The shade is to match my neck, by the way. Oh, girl, it smells like alcohol, and it feels like alcohol on my skin. Oh, I threw away the box already. Oh yeah, the ingredients are on the box. I'm guaranteed there's alcohol in here, so I probably wouldn't wear this again, but let's go ahead and see what it's like. Watch me end up falling in love with it and wearing it every single day. But like, it just feels like alcohol. Like, you know when you got like an alcohol pad and you rubbed it on your skin? That's what it feels like right now, which I'm absolutely not living for. But I will say it's doing a pretty good job. I'm gonna go in with my sponge, which I have a feeling is gonna take away all the coverage. Oh, it's not. Okay, so blending nicely. Okay. Girl, I guess we're gonna have to deal with me having freaking alcohol on my skin, because that looks bomb. I'm living. It's not too full coveragey. It's like light medium, but it's covering pretty well, even though it's like, I don't know, 2 a.m. and I'm taking this right off. Actually, I might use it for my grinder. Never mind, I'm gonna stop talking and bring it down my neck before someone calls me James Charles. God, there's a lot of shade in today's video. I'm totally kidding. Yeah, you guys, it smells like literally straight up alcohol. Guys, never forget to put a little bit of foundation right here Especially if you're a boy. If you're a girl, you probably don't have to do that, but just a little good tip and trick, girl. Some diva advice. I can't believe how much we've grown in the past year, you guys. I started my YouTube channel like a year ago, and we are about to hit 150K. I was nominated for an award. We were nominated for a damn award. Like, are you kidding me? My life is insane. It's actually insane. A year ago, I moved to LA with nothing but like a couple $1,000s, which obviously is a lot, but in LA, baby, a couple $1,000s, girl, maybe they'll buy your groceries here. So it was a rough start, but here we are reviewing in my house, just fucking living life. Like, it's insane, absolutely insane. So now that we have that on, it looks pretty good. I would say so far I do actually live for this foundation. Usually the second I put on foundation, I start creasing right here and up by my nose right here, and there is no creasing. I do have a little bit of dryness in my smile lines, which is weird, but we'll have to see when I put on concealer. I will say the color range for these concealers is a little bit weird. I'm gonna go in for light 40N, which is my shade in the other concealer as well. I love the packaging. Smells like concealer. It smells good. I like the smell of chemicals. But yeah, I love the packaging and I love the doe foot. That's cute. I wish it was like a thick one, but this is gonna be fine. I usually go for a lot more of a yellow undertone, but they actually don't really have one in this shade like this. I'm pretty sure I use the same shade in the matte concealer, but that one's definitely more yellow. For some reason, this line is a little bit more pinkish. I don't really mind it because we are going more natural. So it's like you want pinkish to kind of correct, but if you're really yellow, you won't get away with it. Luckily, girl, I have that Native American undertone and this is gonna be good. But before we start blending out, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of information. This is full coverage, creamy cushion concealer. Instantly brightens skin for fresh, natural finish. Infused with hyaluronic acid, we know that. Available in 30 shades. Prep under eyes with your favorite eye cream. Apply concealer to cover blemishes and even out skin tone. And then blend using fingertips, beauty sponge, or brush. Oh, you guys, I look skinnier. I think I'm getting skinnier. I really do. Only $9, you guys. $9. Damn. And the sponge is only $5? Wait. Oh, so the small sponge is $5 and the big sponge is $7. And this sponge, compared to my beauty blender, is actually softer. So the beauty blender, I feel like in the middle has a little bit more like firmness, just in the middle, you know? But this is like squishy all the way through. So let's go ahead and try this. Oh, the color I think did oxidize a little bit, but she's still blending. I'm expecting this to honestly be a light concealer. I'm not expecting it to be full coverage at all. But yeah, it's definitely pretty pink. I need a closer look. Wow, my skin looks so good from that foundation, you guys. That foundation is just too expensive. Okay, I like it. It's blending out really well. It's pretty pink, so I'm gonna go in with a hopefully yellow shade. This shade's a little bit yellow. Oh, I feel like that's the color of my skin. So let me actually just do a couple stripes just to put a little bit of yellow into it. This is light 50 warm. Yeah, I definitely would say this is medium coverage. Oh yeah, I feel like that looks already way better. Ooh, she's cute. I'm living. Should we contour too, you guys? Let's contour. I see a really, really cute shade. This is medium dark 145 warm. We're gonna use this as our bronzer contour, more for bronzer. And then I like taking this brush from the Makeup Shack. It's the T21. Sorry guys, I'm so bad at speaking. As you guys know from my dang freaking Shane video, I was spelling how like it was supposed to be in the series, like saying Cheeto dust instead of cheese dust, and people were roasting me. I was like, girl, I'm sorry, I was watching the whole series over again before I filmed this, because usually when I film something from Jeffree, I get roasted. Like, people are like,
well, Jeffree said this in his video.
Okay, girl, I didn't watch that video. Like, I do watch almost all of Jeffree's videos, but like whenever it's a review or like a reveal, I just like skip it to the end so I can see what the product is, and then, you know, like I don't really watch to see like exactly what it says, which was a big mistake, and that's why I tried to correct it, but girl, oh, it just backfired. So now that that's nicely blended, I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush with no more foundation and just blending out the edges. Ooh, I love that shade. Colourpop just never fails. Okay, so I'm gonna do my powder, my blush, bronzer off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I did do some stuff off camera, just some bronzer, a little bit of highlighter, but I did want to share with you, this is Jordana Tisha Cosmetics blushers. It's called Honey Pie, you guys. This shade would work on anyone and everyone. It has changed my makeup game. It's literally like a blush highlighter, I would say, but like you put the apples to your cheeks, girl, and oh my god, look at that. This is also a great product for people that might have texture, wrinkles, anything, because this product is like a blush, but it's kind of a highlighter. It's gonna give you that highlighted look, but there's not gonna be any texture added. So again, you just apply to the tippy tops of your cheeks, And you guys, Zio looks so highlighted and so good. I'm not really the biggest fan of highlighter anymore, so that's kind of what I've been doing. But when I do use highlighter, I love this Milk Flex highlighter in the shade Lit. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is the best for the nose. I kind of only highlight my nose from now on. Period. And then up here, just a little bit. Just bringing some glow. And then going in with obviously my favorite product ever, you guys know, the Laura Mercier Candlelight Glow in the shade 2. I'm going with this Fenty brush and kind of just going everywhere, swiping off the bake. This kind of gives your whole face like just a filtered, beautiful look, and I'm just obsessed with it. And then lastly for the face, I'm going in with my Dragon Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder. You guys know this is my favorite. I mix both the shades and I just apply that to my and then I just apply that to my under eye. Oh, you guys look at that difference, that brightness, that beauty. Ooh, yeah. Slay me. Girl, this is the finished skin. Oh, I'm living my best life. Okay, so now that my face is finished, it's time to look underneath my eyes. You guys, when it comes to concealer, if it's gonna crease and be a mess throughout the day, I kind of know right away because, girl, I have a lot of wrinkles under there, so getting my Shein X Jeffree mirror, shout out to them, congrats on your sellout. Ooh, okay, work. I don't see any creasing. Oh my gosh, it actually looks really good. I'm actually used to seeing a little bit more of texture right in here, but I feel like my texture is kind of smoothed out. Of course, it is a hydrating product, and I always say hydrating is always better than matte. It's better to mattify a hydrating product than it is using matte, because matte I feel like accentuate things, which I feel like other people feel like it's the other way around, but in my personal opinion, I like hydrating. I think it looks really, really good. Girl, with the price, it's the tea. So my verdict is, it's good. I like it. The sponge is cute. Do you need it? No, but she's cheap. She's good. She's really, really squishy. The concealer is bomb. You get hella product in here. I believe you guys get like 0.30 fluid ounces compared to the Tarte tape. The Tarte Shape Tape has, oh, they have the same amount of product. Girl, this is literally like the fraction of this, and I feel like this is better. Rest in peace, Tarte Tape, because Pretty Fresh is taking over. This concealer is honestly bomb. I highly recommend it to you guys. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Like, I'm living. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for all the love on all my reviews. Like, you guys really believe and trust in me, and I value that so much, like more than you would ever be able to comprehend. I appreciate that so much. Okay, you guys know obviously how much I love this because it's literally terribly broken up, but the reaction I got from this was so insane. I had hundreds of people sending me DMs of them purchasing this, and it made me just feel so good because I don't know, like it made me feel really good because I feel like in the beauty community, like trust is kind of lost, and just to know that, you know, the divas have trusted me means the world to me. And I want you to know that I would never sacrifice that, never review something just for a coupon code, just for a sponsorship, unless I truly believed in it. And thank you guys so much. Like, that means the world to me. I'm not gonna keep too much of your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this whole collection. It's bomb. The Hyaluronic collection is bomb. Also, don't forget, link down below, I will have the AIA Awards link. You guys can go ahead and vote for me. It would mean the freaking world to me. Please DM me, screenshotting your email confirmation. I want to DM you back and just thank you. That is so amazing. I can't believe we are nominated for something, and I've said that like a million times, but I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.
You